Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim. In this video, I am going to discuss how you can really make money from online. Guys, if you are complete beginner and if you are interested to make money from online, then just watch this video for few minutes because I don't want to pick this video too longer. I just make this video shorter, and within short video I will give you exactly that you will make you money. Okay, so but before you start if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, and if you already did, then I really appreciate that. Okay, so if you watch many video on online, many influencer are try to selling something. They're making useful content, that's great, but with that they're offering something. They're try offering their course or any product. Okay, just keep this system and think about it, how it's actually work. Yes, it's actually work. They reached you through the content. Content is king. If you really want to make money from online, then don't buy any course. You don't need any skills. Just think what you have and what you love to do. Okay, whatever you have and what you are interested, just try to make video every day. Make your camera, just open your phone, run your video and start shooting. Yeah, whatever you are and what type of content, it doesn't matter. Just stick with one rules. You have to make video content every day, and you have to publish it on your all the social media platform like Facebook short, TikTok. Like at first you can try with the short form video, which is very popular right now. Everyone are doing this. Okay, so when you have the short form video with your profile will grow, and viewer are was continuously watching your video. Then like when you have a good social media profile, there is a huge opportunity will come for you that will give you money without doing nothing extra. You have to just keep your video. Okay, so when you have social media that would have a like strong followers, you will get sponsorship. You can promote affiliate offer. You can run your own courses. Of course, when you have a like social media profile that you have, you will get experience, and with that experience definitely you can run any course. Okay, so you can sell other people product, you can sell your product, you will get sponsorship. Is a huge opportunity. Just keep my one sentence, which is you have to make video every day, whatever it is. Just shoot and upload on social media every day. This is the real key to become successful on online business. That I am doing, other people are doing, every influencer are doing. And don't worry, other people are think about it, what they think about you. Just ignore them and continue your work. And like I believe you will be successful if you stay focused and if you do consistent your work. So I don't want to make this video longer. That's actually wanted. I told you guys just keep making video. So if you think this video really helped you, you can do subscribe, and if you want to see more video from me, then you can subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.